Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these soft and delicious gulab jamun. So I'm also going to be showing you how to make the sugar syrup because it's so delicious. And today I'm going to be using the Priya Gulab Jamun sweet mix. This sweet mix consists of flour and milk powder. You can find this at any of your local grocery store, and when I measure, it comes around 1.5 cups. Now you're just going to mash it a little to get rid of any big lumps. Pour 1/2 cup of water slowly, little by little, and mix it until it forms a dough. I used around 100 ml of water. Once the dough is nice and soft, you can cover it and rest it for about 10 to 15 minutes. And while this is resting, we can now make the sugar syrup. In a pan, add 2 cups of white sugar and add 2.5 cups of water and leave it on medium flame. Stir it in between. Add a little bit of cardamom powder and let it boil. Add a tiny bit of saffron. Mix well and boil for 5 minutes or until the sugar syrup turns sticky. After 10 minutes of resting the dough a little, you can now take it out and roll the dough and knead it. Now I'm going to split the dough in half and I'm going to start to prepare some small ball-sized gulab jamuns. Try to make all the ball size look equal so that they can cook evenly. Now I'm just going to take the pieces of dough and I'm going to roll it in my palm. And I'm also going to put some ghee on my palm to roll it so it's going to be easier. You also have to make sure that there are no cracks in the balls. If there are cracks, then there are high chances for the jamuns to break while frying. If you missed any of the ingredients that I listed before, you can go down below and check it in the description box where I will post them all the time. The oil must be medium hot and not very hot, or else the gulab jamun will brown without cooking inside. And to check the correct temperature, add a small piece of dough to the oil, and the ball must rise slowly without changing its color much. This would be the right temperature. If the ball rises too fast, then it means that the temperature is a bit high, and then take it off the stove for a while. And once you have the right temperature, you can add the balls gently and fry them on a medium heat for about 1 to 2 minutes. I added half of them at one time, but make sure you don't crowd them because when frying they will increase in size, so provide them enough space in the pan. After 2 minutes of frying, reduce the flame to low and fry until golden. Keep stirring gently to fry them evenly. When they turn golden, take them off the pan using a deep fry skimmer or a strainer and then drain them very well. Add them directly to the hot sugar syrup. Do not dunk them with the oil dripping. The sugar syrup must be hot but not very hot or steaming hot. You can now repeat the same process with the rest of the dough. Soak the gulab jamuns for about 3 hours before serving, and I'm also going to garnish them with some chopped almonds. You can also put chopped pistachios or anything you want. And when I cut it, you can see how soft and delicious it is. It's so mouth-watering that you just want to eat it right away. Hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a big like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell down below to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and I post every single week. Bye!